information owns this company. We're just regular people, everyday individuals who came across something that caught our attention. Not long ago, someone shared this information with us. We took the time to study it, asked a lot of questions, and did our due diligence. After reviewing everything thoroughly, we realised it made far too much sense to ignore. It wasn't hype or empty promises, it was math, transparency and automation working together in a way that we had never seen before. Now, we're simply asking you to do the same. Look at it carefully, review it for yourself and your family, and then decide what's right for you. We're going to go over 3 simple things: what the offer is and how it works. Proof that it's real and functioning, the optional referral program for those who want to share it. When you first hear how it works, you might think that sounds too good to be true. And honestly, that's a natural reaction. Most people say the same thing at first. But that's exactly why we show you evidence and examples that prove it's real and that it has been functioning successfully for years. Imagine you're driving through your city and you see a billboard that says guaranteed approval for $30,000 or $40,000 loans. No credit check, no job history, no $499 required, just a $100 processing fee. If that were real, people would be lining up for miles. But of course, no traditional bank could survive something like that because the risk would be enormous. Most people might take the loan and never pay it back. Now here's the key idea. This system takes the concept of that kind of offer and makes it real. But with built-in safeguards that remove all the risk for both the banks and the participants, everyone wins because every part of the process is automated, insured and fully transparent. This project is a community-based system built on decentralised finance technology, using smart contracts to handle all the complex financial operations automatically. The project partners with banks, insurance providers and verified account holders to create a structure where all parties benefit fairly and safely. Today, there are over 1 million members worldwide and the average participant holds around 8 contracts. It has been operating successfully since 2016. That's nearly a decade of consistent results. So this is not new, not experimental, and not a fly-by-night idea. The 4 key parts. 1, you, the participant, you simply create a free account using your email and password. No identification, no credit check, and no job verification are required. You pay a $100 processing fee for each staking contract. You then choose your preferred term, 2, 3, 5 or 7 years. You can hold up to 80 contracts at once. 2, the partnered bank provides a loan directly into your staking contract, not to you personally. You never touch the funds, which means there's zero personal financial risk. Loan amounts are $30,240 for 2 or 3 year contracts, $43,200 for 5 or 7 year contracts. The bank earns a 6.75% annual interest rate and their capital is repaid in full at the end of the contract. 3, the insurance company, the insurance partner, guarantees the bank's loan, ensuring that even if something unexpected happens, the bank still gets paid. They receive automated monthly premiums, $210 a month for 2 and 3 year contracts, $300 a month for 5 and 7 year contracts. 4, the smart contract. This is the automated system that manages everything 24/7 without human involvement. It calculates rewards daily, compounds them continuously and distributes all payments accurately. It handles interest for the bank, premiums for insurance and assigns the remaining balance to you when your term ends. Because of this automation, there's no manual tracking or management required on your part. The system runs on mathematics and blockchain verification, not human opinion or interference. Real world proof, everybody says the same thing at first. If it's real, show me proof. So that's exactly what we did. Since this platform has been around since 2016, we were able to locate real users who had already completed contracts and been paid out in full. One example was a gentleman who had been active for quite a while. In January 2023, he withdrew $98,800. Just 1 day later, another $89,000. 2 months after that, on March 15th, he took out $100,000. 3 days later, another $100,000. Then on March 20th, he withdrew $112,000, and the following day, another $100,000. Add that up, it's more money than many people make in 5 to 10 years of full-time work. And all of it came from his Bytnex account. Then there's Mo, another participant who documented his entire process so others could learn from it. Mo purchased 2 3-year contracts back in November 2020, when Bytnex was offering $43,200 per contract. By November 21st, 2023, his contracts matured exactly on schedule. That day, he received an email from Bytnex support confirming that his total wallet balance was $501,000. After standard fees and loan reversals, his final amount came to $398,745.68. That amount was clearly visible in his Bytnex dashboard. and when he withdrew it, he received approximately $388,653.68 after a small withdrawal fee, fully deposited into his personal non-custodial wallet. Almost $390,000 simply because 3 years earlier, Mo decided to secure 2 Bytnex contracts and let the system do its work. Because Bytnex operates on blockchain technology, every single transaction is public and verifiable. Nothing can be hidden, altered, or manipulated after the fact. The numbers are there for anyone to verify. Some people still wonder how such large payouts are possible, but when you consider the size of the network, over 1 million members with each holding an average of 8 contracts, the scale makes sense. The system is structured to generate stable and mathematically predictable results over time. The optional referral program, if you see the potential here and want to share it with others, there's an optional referral program. It's completely voluntary, but those who participate can earn referral rewards immediately without waiting for contract maturity. To begin, create your free account with your email and password. Pay your $100 processing fee. Select your desired contract term, 2, 3, 5 or 7 years. Watch your rewards accumulate automatically. You can also purchase contract packs for higher potential outcomes. $1,000 equals 15 2-year contracts. $330,000 potential return. $1,000 equals 15 3-year contracts, 3-year contracts. $525,000 potential return. Everything is automated. No manual trading, no complex crypto skills, and no financial background required. Thank you for taking the time.